Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how can you take online class by using this application Myviewboard. Myviewboard is free of cost. You can download on your PC on myviewboard.com. I will teach you how can you can use this application. You can write by using this pen, and if you want to change a color you can change it. If you want to draw some shapes, you can draw easily by using this magic tool. This is one of the best tool in this application. If you want to draw a circle, you can drag and drop this compass on a whiteboard and close this tab. If you think this radius is too long, you can click here and decrease the size of radius, and you can rotate by click here. Your circle is ready. If you want to create another circle inside this circle is too small, okay, you can use this compass like this. Okay, if you want to change a width of this compass, you can change by click here. Sorry, by click here you can change this width. Okay, if you want to change a color, you can change again. I will draw. Yes, it's worked fine. Here is a lot of these types of tool you can use, and you can take online class easily. You can take snapshots and you can record your screen. I'm also record this screen by using Myviewboard. You can record screen by using different software, but I prefer this one. If you want to take a screenshot, you can use this one, or if you want to go on your PC home tab, you can go here by using click here, or you can write something here if you want to write. Yes, like this. If you want to remove by using razor, yes, you can remove. You can draw a circle and everything. You can write some text, yes, you can write. Yes, this is handwriting. And once again, go on whiteboard, click here text, click here. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. This software name is Myviewboard, or you can download this software on myviewboard.com. Yes, enter or by click here. Yes, it's well. If you want to place this text left side on this left top, yes, you can place like this by click here. If you want to remove all of this item, yes, you can remove. Circle by click once time or once time, and this is for use like this. Yes, click here and remove this compass. You can use a lot of tools. If you want to draw a line, a straight line, you can use a scale. Click here. Yes, straight line, straight line. Remove this scale. It's perfect. If you want to search something, you can search here by using Chrome tab. All the functionality is available in Myviewboard. Okay, next one is if you want to write something, you can write by using pencil, text, erase. You can use eraser. You can something want to draw shapes, you can use this magic tool. If you want to change some colors, if you want to watch some videos on YouTube, if you want to search some image, your online weights, and if you want to some file place on Myviewboard, you can search, you can go on a folder and place here easily. And if you want to place this line here, you can place here. Okay, hopefully this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.